90% of people who start YouTube fail, and it's not because they're not talented, it's because they started the wrong way. In this video, I'll show you the exact method I use to start and grow YouTube channels, so you don't waste months doing what doesn't work. And if you follow this step by step, you can start today, grow faster, and actually make money from your content. So before you think about creating content, editing, or even posting your first video, you need to get one very important thing right: your niche. Not just any niche, a niche that actually works. You see, I didn't just say pick a niche, because this is where most beginners get it wrong. They choose what they like, not what works, and that's why they struggle to grow. So what exactly is a niche? Your niche is simply what your channel is known for, the type of content people come to you for. It could be tutorials, entertainment, reactions, storytelling, anything. But here's where it gets interesting. Not every niche works anymore. Some niches are already saturated, and some are practically dead. Meaning, even if you're posting consistently, nobody is really searching for that content. And if nobody is searching for what you're posting, how exactly do you expect to grow? That's why it's not just about picking a niche, it's about picking a niche that people are actively interested in right now. Because if you pick the wrong niche, everything else won't work. So how do you actually know the niche that works? Don't worry, I've already done the research for you. I tested multiple niches, and I found 4 that are working right now. And you can start with any of them today and grow. And one of them might just be perfect for you. Now, this is where you must pay attention. The first niche that is working right now is AI-powered content. And what makes this niche so powerful is that you don't even need to show your face or have expensive equipment to get started. With AI, you can literally create content faster, easier, and at scale, which is exactly what YouTube rewards. Now, within this niche, there are different directions you can take. You can create content around AI tools. This is you teaching people how to use them. You can run a faceless storytelling channel using AI voiceovers and AI images. You can even create motivational or prayer videos and worship music powered by AI. And the best part, you don't need to be an expert to start. Right now, this niche is growing fast, and a lot of people are already getting good results from it because the barrier to entry is low, but the demand is very high. So if this niche feels right for you, go ahead and get started. And don't worry, I'll be dropping more videos showing you exactly how to grow AI channels step by step. So make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out. If you're getting value from this so far, make sure you like the video. I'd really appreciate it. If AI content is not really your thing, don't worry. The second niche might actually be a better fit for you, and this one is one of the most powerful niches on YouTube right now. The second niche that's working really well right now is educational or tutorial content, and this is one of the most powerful niches on YouTube because people are always searching to learn something. This could be anything from teaching people how to use new apps to showing them how to grow on social media, or even sharing simple skills like video editing, graphic design, or online tools. You don't need to be an expert to start this too. As long as you know something that someone else is trying to learn, you can create content around it. This niche works so well because people are actively searching for solutions. So instead of chasing views, your content gets discovered through search. Think about it. Anytime you want to learn something, where do you go? YouTube. And that's exactly why this niche keeps growing every single day. Now, let me give you 3 specific content areas in this niche that are easier to grow, especially if you're just starting. The first one is app reviews, especially new or lesser known apps. Instead of reviewing popular apps everyone already knows, focus on new or underrated apps people are just discovering. For example, new AI tools. The second is solving specific problems. Instead of general tutorials, create tutorials that solve exact problems people are facing. For example, how to fix low views on YouTube, or how to remove watermark on CapCut. Another content area is comparison videos. For example, CapCut versus InShot. Which is better? Free versus paid AI tools, or even best apps for editing in 2026. The secret here is simple. Don't try to teach everything. Pick one area and stay consistent. The third niche that's working really well right now is storytelling content, especially faceless storytelling. And this is perfect for you if you don't want to show your face or you're not comfortable being on camera. With this niche, you can create content like very interesting storytime videos, relationship stories and lessons, or even funny videos. All you really need is a good story, a voiceover, and you're good to go. And with tools like AI, you can even generate voiceovers and content faster without doing everything yourself. Now, the last niche, and one of the most profitable niches on YouTube, is the finance and money niche. This includes content around making money online, side hustles, saving tips, and different ways to build income. And the reason this niche is so powerful is simple. People are always looking for ways to make more money. Not only that, YouTube actually pays more for this type of content because advertisers are willing to spend more in this space. Now, you don't need to be a financial expert to start. You can begin by sharing simple ideas, tools, or strategies that people can try. For example, you can talk about side hustles, apps that help people make money, or even simple ways to earn online as a beginner. But one thing you need to understand is this niche requires honesty and consistency because people are trusting you with information that affects their income. So if your goal is not just to grow but also to earn more from your content while helping people earn money, this is definitely a niche you should consider. Now that you've seen 4 of the niches that are working right now, let me ask you, which one are you going to choose? I really want to know. So go ahead and drop it in the comments. And if you want me to make another video breaking down even more working niches, just comment more working niches. If I see enough of this comment, I will make that video for you. Now, after choosing your niche, do not rush straight into creating videos. Do not start scripting, recording, or posting because that's actually the wrong move. Before you create anything, you need to study your competitors. Yes. Go and watch big creators in your niche, not just randomly, but their best performing videos. Pay attention to how they start their videos, how they keep you watching, how they structure their content. Do you know this is the step most people skip, and that's exactly why they struggle? This new trick is what works on YouTube. Just spend at least 1 week doing this. Observe, learn, understand what works. Because once you figure that out, creating your own videos becomes much easier and much smarter. So how exactly does this help you? First, it helps you understand how to properly structure your videos, how to grab attention, and how to keep people watching. Second, you start to see what's actually working in your niche right now, not what you think works, but what is already getting results. And most importantly, it gives you inspiration, not to copy, but to create your own version with your own style and creativity. Because if a video is already performing well, it means there's demand for that type of content. So instead of guessing what might work, you're building on what is already working, and that makes it much easier for you to start getting views and growing your channel. At this point, if you have any questions at all, go ahead and drop them in the comments. I'll be checking and responding. Now, after learning and understanding what works, the next step is to start creating your own videos. And here is what I recommend. Don't just create one video. Plan and create at least 5 videos first. Use what you've learned from the top creators you studied, but make your own version with your own style and creativity. In fact, you should do this even before setting up your channel. Yes, because the best strategy is this. Immediately after setting up your channel, you post your first video, then another one the next day, and continue until all your videos are out. This already gives your channel the chance to grow right from the beginning. Then from there, stay consistent. It doesn't have to be every single day, but make sure you're posting regularly, especially in your first month. Keep watching what's working for your channel, keep learning, and keep improving. Even if your first videos get just 10 views, don't stop posting, because that's how every successful creator starts. To summarize everything, starting YouTube is not about luck, and it's not about talent. It's about choosing the right niche, learning what works, and taking action the right way. At the end of the day, the difference between people who succeed on YouTube and those who quit is simply doing the right things from the beginning and staying consistent with it. If you follow everything I've shown you in this video, you won't just start a YouTube channel, you'll start it the right way. Once your videos are ready, the next step is setting up your YouTube channel the correct way before posting your first video. But I don't want this video to be too long, so in my next video I'll show you exactly how to set up any channel at all, step by step. Just make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. I hope you found this video very helpful, and I'd love to see you in my next video. Take care.